Hi, honorable dignitaries, colleagues, and the uh, guests here. It is a privilege to address this esteemed uh, gathering as Director of Legal and Company Secretary for Hire Appliances. I wish to thank Ravi Gupta ji and the Elites team for making this event a very successful one, and I wish it becomes a very memorable event for all of us when we go out from here today evening. I also wish to thank especially the Member of Parliament, sir, for giving us a very good head note on the event as such. So, Beraji, thank you so much for this. And I also wish to thank all the senior officials who are there. Uh, I would especially name uh, Shri Anil Kumar Sagaji, who is the Principal Secretary, and Mr. Shanmuga ji, Mr. Sangeet Bondwe ji, and the Brijesh Pathak ji is left, obviously, but I would like to thank everybody to be here and give us the guidance how we can move forward in this era of electronics and information technology. Uh, I just wish to highlight a few things regarding Uttar Pradesh, especially. So, Uttar Pradesh has been in the forefront of electronics and information technology development across India as well as the globe, and is in doing so, UP has also attracted the investments as such, which are very significant. They have taken investments of approximately 4 lakh crores in 2023 itself by signing more than 200 MOUs. So that has been a very significant achievement for Uttar Pradesh. Going forward, these investment will convert into the revenue for the state government, and that is what we expect as industry. We wish to explore more opportunities here in electronics exports. Also, the Uttar Pradesh government and the Uttar Pradesh industry has contributed significantly by having a in US dollar 2.58 billion of exports, which is approximately 17% of the country's total export in terms of electronics sector. At higher, we have done a very big investment in terms of setting up the facility in Noida, where we are manufacturing air conditioners, washing machines, and refrigerators. And by the new policy and the amendment which came in 2022, we have also made an additional investment in phase two of the same project, and the expansion would cover at least 45,000 square meters of the area, and will significantly develop the backward integration for our products, which will include injection molding as well as the sheet metals. This move is aligned towards the government of India's initiative and the UP's initiative towards Make in India and Made for India products by higher appliances, and we anticipate that we will be a significant contributor in terms of making in India the products which are related to electronics and the IT sector. The achievement of the higher as such will not have been possible unless the state government is fostering this culture of having a good policy and a conducive environment wherein the industry can flourish and can do significant development. During the day, we will be discussing all of these in detail, and my colleagues will be sharing more details about it in the presentation which we will be sharing later in the day, wherein we will be showcasing you what all we have done and what all we are projecting to do. So that is why we are here, and I would request everybody's guidance so that we can move forward in a better way. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much.